Hello there everyone, and we thank you for joining us for the Matt's Weather Weekly Weather News. Today is Wednesday, July 17th, 2013. Now the first thing that I want to mention to you guys today is that there will be no Matt's Weather Weekly Weather News next week on Wednesday, July 24th. The next Matt's Weather Weekly Weather News after this one will be 2 weeks from now on Wednesday, July 31st. Okay, so again, there will be no Matt's Weather Weekly Weather News next week on Wednesday, July 24th. The next Matt's Weather Weekly Weather News after this one will be 2 weeks from now on Wednesday, July 31st. Okay, and today we're going to be talking all about this crazy heat that we've been dealing with the last few days and will continue to deal with for the next several days. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be reading to you a section of WFSB Channel 3's technical discussion. Now, their technical discussion is basically a weather blog that all the meteorologists at Channel 3 do. Now, first, since we do have a few weather alerts in effect due to the heat, we're going to explain what some of the heat weather alerts mean. Here's the National Weather Service's definition of an excessive heat watch. Issued for the potential of the following conditions within 12 to 36 hours. Heat index of at least 105 degrees Fahrenheit for more than 3 hours per day for 2 consecutive days, or heat index of more than 115 degrees Fahrenheit for any period of time. So that's basically what an excessive heat watch is, and there is an excessive heat watch in effect for part of the state of Connecticut, and we'll get to that in a few minutes. The fourth heat wave of the year is now official. Yesterday, temperatures reached the 90s for the third consecutive day. In fact, Bridgeport was in record territory with a high of 95 degrees. The previous record for July 16th was 94 degrees, set in 1983 and in 1952 in Bridgeport. At Bradley International Airport, the mercury reached 94 degrees, but that fell short of the record. The record for July 16th remains 93 degrees, set in 1983 at Bradley. We are not even halfway through this heat wave. In fact, it will likely last a total of 7 days. That means there is no relief in sight until this coming weekend. As we progress through this heat wave, we could challenge a few more records. The record high today at Bradley International is 97 degrees, set on July 17th in 1999. The record high in Bridgeport today is 95 degrees, set on July 17th in 1953. Monday and Tuesday, we had a northwesterly breeze statewide. That's why the shoreline has been the hot spot. Over the next few days, the winds will come from more of a southwesterly direction. That means that the shoreline will be slightly cooler, but interior portions of the state will still roast. The southwesterly flow also means more haze, more humidity, and poorer air quality. So, that's basically it. It's been just crazy hot the last few days and will continue to be crazy hot for the next several days into this weekend. And on that note, let's give you your WFSB Channel 3 early warning 7-day forecast. Now first, like I said a minute ago, we do have 2 weather alerts in effect right now due to the heat. A heat advisory is in effect until 8 o'clock p.m. this evening for all of Connecticut with the exception of the immediate shoreline. Okay, so again, a heat advisory is in effect until 8 o'clock p.m. this evening for all of Connecticut with the exception of the immediate shoreline. Okay, and an excessive heat watch goes in effect tomorrow on Thursday for Hartford, Tolland, and Windham counties. Okay, again, an excessive heat watch goes into effect tomorrow on Thursday for Hartford, Tolland, and Windham counties. Okay, and now your forecast for today, Wednesday, July 17th. Mostly sunny, hot, and humid. A slight chance for an afternoon thunderstorm. High 95 degrees inland, 92 at the shore. Tomorrow, Thursday, July 18th. Mostly sunny, hot, and humid. A chance for an afternoon thunderstorm. High 95 degrees inland, 92 at the shore. Friday, partly sunny, hot, and humid. A chance for showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. High 96 degrees inland, 91 at the shore. Saturday, partly sunny, hot, and humid. Strong thunderstorms possible in the afternoon and evening. High 92 degrees inland, 90 at the shore. And then on Sunday, it cools down a little bit. A chance for showers in the morning, partial clearing, and turning less humid later in the day. High 85 degrees inland, 84 at the shore. Monday, partly sunny and pleasant, fairly low humidity, high 83 degrees inland, 80 at the shore. And next Tuesday, July 23rd, partly sunny and comfortably warm, high 84 degrees inland, 80 at the shore. So it's basically going to be crazy hot until Saturday. Then on Sunday, it's going to start to cool down a little bit. As we get later into the day on Sunday, it's going to start to cool down a little bit. That humidity is going to diminish. And then on Monday, it's going to be a very pleasant, warm, comfortable warm day. There's going to be very low humidity, but it's still going to be comfortably warm on Monday, and that's going to continue onto Tuesday of next week as well. So That'll do it for the Matt's Weather Weekly Weather News this week. Now, remember again, there will be no Matt's Weather Weekly Weather News next week on Wednesday, July 24th. The next Matt's Weather Weekly Weather News after this one will be 2 weeks from now on Wednesday, July 31st. So we hope you join us in 2 weeks for the Matt's Weather Weekly Weather News on Wednesday, July 31st. We'll see you then.